here's the status update. Tatlong client contracts ang need a follow-up, just waiting for their sign-off. Dalawa na ang cleared, and we're just tracking their payments due by the end of the week. And attached here are the revised timelines for the campaigns. Everything's aligned for Q3 targets.
Akala ko naka-sick leave ka pa.
Okay na ako, Will. Sayang ang oras. Marami pa tayong dapat habulin. And I just want to show you that I can still be professional.
Ronnie, what if mag-resign ka na lang? I mean, if you need a letter of recommendation, a referral in your next job, I'll be more than happy to do it. Just for your own peace of mind.
No, this is still my job. I earned this place well. Personal is personal.
Ronnie, I already filed a protection order.
Yes. Yung barangay level? Insulting. Don't mistake the barangay protection order for total control, Wilfred. It only bars me from Lorena and your house, not from earning my living. Unless you want to file another motion, I suggest you get used to seeing me here. And unless, kung may legal kang basehan to kick me out of Pearl Vault, you know, HR-related labor code violation, then kung wala, I'll be at my desk.
Nasa office pa rin si Ronnie. May punto naman siya. Hindi covered ng protection order ang workplace. But the way she behaves, it's as if nothing happened. Parang normal lang.
Eh kung hindi na naman niya tayo ginugulo. Pero ikaw ba? Okay lang sa'yo na makasama pa rin kayo sa opisina?
Yeah, I'm okay. So far, wala namang siyang ginagawang violation sa office. She makes one wrong move. Magkakagrants ako para i-terminate siya.